Hey guys, good morning everyone. Welcome back to the online class. As we have completed two scenes of this chapter, and we have seen a very interesting point is going to come. Okay, after studying so hard, Bhaiya's got failed, and Munna, after playing lots and he was not concentrated towards his studies, instead of that, also he got passed and he topped the exam, right? We have seen up to that. We have seen earlier in scene one that how Bhaiya is telling Munna to get concentrated towards his studies, and even he made a timetable for that. You have seen the timetable, right? So after that also he was not able to concentrate. But what happened in scene 2, what we have seen in the final exam, Munna got passed and topped the exam, and where Bhaiya got failed after giving so much time to the studies. Okay, now we'll see the scene 3, the third part of this chapter. Okay, now let's begin that. Scene 3, the results were out once again, and it so happened that Munna passed and Bhaiya failed again. Bhaiya was really upset. Munna was also sad seeing his brother so unhappy. Bhaiya now becomes gentler with Munna. Munna became naughtier because of this and studied even less than before. What happened in even after not concentrating towards studies, what happened? Munna got passed, and where Bhaiya, he has given so much time on studies, and even though he got failed, what happened now? Now Bhaiya got really upset more than before, and Munna got naughtier more than before because he was not studying, and he thought without studying I can pass. So he became too much means a lot naughtier, and he was like studied less than before. Okay, Munna talking aloud. Ah, I'm lucky. I can pass easily. I need not study so hard. Now I can play games with my friends and fly kites. But I should still be careful that Bhaiya does not see me flying kites. Now again, as you know, Munna got naughtier than before, so he was quite happy and he thought that I'm too lucky without even studying. I'm getting past, so there's no need to study hard. Just play. I will play my games with my friends and I will also fly kites. But instead of that, I should be more careful that Bhaiya could not see me flying kites. One day, a kite is flying slowly downward. Munna starts running in order to grab it. Suddenly, he came face to face with Bhaiya. What happened when a kite was flying down to the earth? Okay, he ran behind it and he was about to catch when suddenly what happened? Face to face, he faced Bhaiya. Bhaiya told, catching hold of Munna's hand. What he did, he caught the hand of Munna. Aren't you ashamed to be playing kites all day long? Don't you realize that now you are in the 8th class and are not studying in lower class? If you think that I'm just one class ahead of you and I can't say anything, you are wrong. I am 5 years older than you are and will always be. Understanding doesn't come only from reading books. Look at Ma and Baba. Ma has never gone to school and Baba has only passed 5th class. Now Bhaiya is explaining him about the necessity, about the circumstances. Okay, he told that you're not ashamed of flying kites all day long, don't you realize that playing all the time kites is not good? You're in 8th class, you're not in a lower class. Just reading a book is not enough, you have to give more time to your studies. I can't, means what do you think? Even I am 1 year ahead of you in class. It doesn't mean that I will not say you anything. I will, because remember, I am 5 years older than you, and still I can say anything to you. So don't, okay? And understanding, and he told a beautiful line that understanding doesn't comes only by reading books, okay? And he has given a perfect example of Ma and Baba, that Ma has never gone to school and Baba has only passed fifth. Instead of that, also, they are so capable of handling things. Okay, so he explained in a very beautiful way. Munna, really, Bhaiya, is that true? Really? Ma and Baba didn't go to school and Baba only passed fifth? And after that, also, they are quite eligible to handle anything. Bhaiya said, yes, there are 1,000 things that they know more than you or me. And even if we have studied the wisdom of the whole world, Ma and Baba will always have the right to explain to us and correct us. Yes. However, means even if we get elder um, day by day, but our ma and pa will always tell us the correct thing. They will always guide us. They will always tell us that which things are correct, which things are not. They always support us. They always guide us in a very correct, for the correct path. Even after we will study the whole earth wisdom, after that also Ma and Ba will be there. They will explain us and they will correct us. Now what would you do if I were to fall sick today? What if you will do? Munna said, I don't know, Bhaiya. I would tell Baba and he would rush to the hostel. Means he asked an example that what if I will get ill, what you will do? Munna, in a very simple and a very politely way, in her, means in his innocence, he told that I don't know, Bhaiya. I will call to my Papa, Baba, and he will rush here. He will come here in the hostel. Bhaiya said, ah, I had expected this answer. Now Baba would not get upset. He would first try to find out what was wrong and then he would call a doctor. Baba would know exactly what to do. They have more experience than us. Now Bhaiya told that, yes, I was expecting this something like this answer, that you will do this. But when Baba will be here, he would have called the doctor. He would have known the reason why I have fallen sick. Then he would have told a doctor what was wrong and would exactly means he would do because he is more experienced one. Munna with tears in his eyes, Bhaiya, I am sorry. What you say is true. Now Munna also realized that studying things, getting pass is not just a thing. Having experience is another thing. Because in as I have told you in the starting that experience and what was that? Experience and hard work will go hand in hand, okay? Experience and hard work both are important thing, okay? We have to just take we have to move with that hand in hand, okay? It will go in hand and both are equally important. Now Munna also understood this. Bhaiya hugs Munna lovingly. Now, after Munna, when he realized, he burst into tears, and where Bhaiya came to him and hugged him lovingly. Bhaiya, I also like to play and fly kites, but if I also play, then how can I watch out for you? You are my, you are my brother. Something is missing there, I think. Yeah, you are my brother. So now he told that I also like, but what if I will start playing things? Then who will look after you? Who will look after you? After all, you are my brother. Okay, so in this chapter we have learned very beautiful things, that experience matters than hard work, but sometimes experience and hard work should go hand in hand. Okay, and beautifully explained that uh, beautifully explained here that understanding means doesn't comes only from reading books. You must have to give some more time beyond the books, and you should make new experiences. Okay, so tomorrow I'll discuss the summary, and then I'll discuss the exercises what is given here in the chapter. Okay, so all the best to all, and hope you are completing your assignments. Okay, so after completing assignments you can just match the answer from here and you will be able to correct your answers. Okay, so have a nice day to all.